Hey guys, it's me, Leah. This is my first ever video. You don't know me, but you can't know me now. I'm Katie's best friend, but she's not really online at the moment. I'll be doing a video about, well, if she's a scammer. I don't know if she's a scammer. There's this girl, I can't remember her name, probably Lolmay, 2. Uh, but I don't know if she's gonna scam me, because she said that, how's it going? She said that she said that if I give her a good hair, like one of my good hairs, she will give me a greet. That sounds like a scam? But let's get on with the video and see if she scams, because if she does, I'll get my thing back. I will email MSP about it. Okay. I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna put this. No. I hate this. I don't want. On. Okay, I'll be back. Finally, I'm on, and it's super laggy, as you just can tell. And yeah, is she online? She better be online. She's not online, unfortunately, but nobody. Well, yes, I do care. Oh, there's still 4 people. She could be one of them 4s. Well, she did that at 8:50, so that's now. Yeah, she's online, so I'm gonna wait until she texts me. So she probably is never gonna text me. Let me just say that, guys. She's probably just never gonna text me. Anyways, I need to get this camera work good. I want them to see the usernames and everything. So let me just get ready.
Okay, so there we go. She hasn't talked to me yet, but I'm just gonna wait and sit for a while until she at least says hi or something like that. Oh, she says hi. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh, I really want her to give the greet. Hello. I'm recording. Okay, I'm a really nice girl, and you know, guys, that I do not scam. And if this isn't girl scam, then I'm really, really happy she doesn't scam. So yeah, I'll be really happy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna say should we start? Should we start? By the way, she's twinning with me, kind of. She hasn't got the same outfit as much, but I have the outfit at home. My thing. So yeah. Yeah, I wonder what she's gonna say. Okay, she said yeah. Okay. Okay, just wait for her to type. Waiting for her to type. Oh, she stopped typing. Okay. Okay, that's exciting. She's typing again. She's typing again. Okay, guys, please give this a like and subscribe. That took her a while to do that. It takes me. Okay, whatever. Wait, don't you want me to go first? Okay, she's typing. Woo woo, to the sound of robberies. Okay, don't you want me to go first? Oh my god. I wish my friend would type to me. Yeah, that's what I said. I swear to God, you said I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, you did. I've got it right on YouTube. Okay, I'll just go with her. I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna spell okay like she does, because that's like okay. It's like it's okay. Yeah, whatever. I'm really excited. Well, no, I'm not. I really don't. What does it? Okay, why did I say that? You go first, then. You go first, then. Oh my god. Oh my lord. Okay, whatever. No, I don't like doing my things like that. Okay. Alright, what should I give her? Okay. I'm really scared.
Oh no! Give me a rare? No way. I don't think I have a rare. This account isn't as good as it looks. I'll give her this hair. It's the best hair I've ever got. Should I actually give her that hair and do it as a prank? Oh my god. Okay. I don't know what to give her. Should I give her that? That's the best thing I've ever know. She wants a good outfit. A hair. I hate going first. If I get scammed, I'm gonna freaking die. Should I give her that? That's VIP. She really likes that hair. I don't know. I'm gonna give her that. Maybe she don't want to give her this. Isn't the last page? This is the last page. I think I might give her these because these are really hard to get on. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put now send the greet. Now send a greet. Okay, this is gonna be really. Oh, say. God. Okay, I'm really scared what she's gonna say. It's gonna be like, I think she's gonna say, no! I bet you she's gonna say that. No, not yet. Oh my god, she scammed me. Oh, I knew it. I just effing knew it. Oh, shit. Why did you scam me? That was like, what? They're really hard to get now. I'm really scared. Oh, she's typing again. I'm actually crying right now. Well, kind of, but they're rare right now. And she said she wanted a rare. Okay, I'm greeting you now. Why Capso? I'm so scared. Oh my god. Sorry. Okay. While she's doing that, I'm going to be telling you a quick disclaimer. I will be doing a mail time, as you can tell by my thing. I've got 16 gifts, and yeah, really hope please send gifts. Like, thank you so much for these people who are sending gifts right now. You are the best. You're like the best right now. And also, you can get my wish lists if you want, but I don't really want them at the moment. I don't want anything really. Okay, reminder. VIP gifts. No one's giving me VIP gifts, even though I gave people a VIP gift. Okay. Thank you so much. Well, this girl hasn't given me one yet. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Sent. I'm waiting. Nothing came up. Okay, nothing came up. Jokes, I didn't. Have you scammed me? Oh, she scammed me. No. I really hope she hasn't scammed me. No. No, I haven't scammed you yet. Oh, this girl's such a bitch. Why isn't she doing this? I don't mean it in real life, but why? And she's got a year VIP. And it even says on her status that she's got. Oh well, it says on the status. Love you, Eve and Ruby. I'm sorry, but you're amazing. Oh my god, she said on her status that she said she had 877 diamonds. Look, I know you're not lying, but just please don't scam. I don't like people who scam. If you scam, this is all on YouTube, you know. This is all on YouTube, but this is a scam because she says, no, I haven't scammed you yet, and that could mean bad news because I haven't scammed you yet. Like, I don't get it. why would she do this all of a sudden? I haven't done anything to her that could do something like this. So, yeah, I'm really scared. I'm shocked. I'm really sick. I'm tired of people scamming me. So, I really hope you like this video. This girl is a scammer. So, if you don't mind, never go near her ever. She isn't a scammer! Oh my god, I said it in the wrong time. She is not a scammer at all. Okay, lolmate 2, she just needed some time. It might have been laggy for her. Oh my god, she gave me a great. Ow! Okay, it hasn't helped me leveled up, but at least it's helped me slightly. And, yeah, I really. Oh my god. I love her. She probably would just like take in the making, like. Sorry, I was laggy. Oh, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. The wrong button. Okay. So, I really hope you like this video. She's not a scammer, so add her and be very nice to her. She's got your VIP, so she's obviously given a great. Don't bug her for greats because she won't give you it. Just to tell you, but yeah, let's have a look if she's opened a gift. We're probably just saving it for mail time. She's like, yeah, saving it for mail time. But she doesn't know if I scammed her because she hasn't probably. Let's have a look if she's opened it. No, she hasn't opened it because all these were yesterday. Yeah, I gave her some gifts before. But they were for free, so I don't know. That was a scam. This girl is the best. Oh, no, not that girl. I don't know that girl. This girl's the best. She's the best! Add her now! Okay, so I hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe and trust this girl. Peace!